Calm down,
But
ladies.
तुम्हारा होस्ट और दोस्त ऐश आ चुका है.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, I forgot to tell you, this is made by AI.
What? Anthology?
Hey, मैं उठ के निकलूँ क्या? Use words that I can understand. A pledge.
I wanna
I will
be
be the very best.
No one. Oh, yeah. I saw that, bro. By the way, that was such surreal watching him. कि भाई and by the way, yeah, congrats, भाई तुम लोग actually में you are bringing the people that we didn't think were like, you know, क्या बोलेंगे, reachable, कि भाई यहाँ पे आ सके. What's up guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel जिसका नाम है Analyst. ठीक है, तुम लोगों का स्वागत है आज के एपिसोड में. और आज तुम्हारा होस्ट और दोस्त ऐश आ चुका है दो लोगों का इंटरव्यू लेने के लिए. ठीक है, if you guys didn't know, my name is Ash Sensei, you know, coming from Chai with Senpai. And आज के जो गेस्ट हैं हमारे साथ, आज के हमारे गेस्ट हैं आर्यन साहिल एंड साहिल आर्यन. Let's go man, let's go.
Let's go. हमने चाय भी सब रेडी करके रखा है.
Yes.
बताया
Oh shit guys, मैंने लाया.
अच्छा, ये वीडियो कौन से प्लेटफॉर्म पे जा रहा है? चाय विद सेंpai और एनालिस्ट?
This is going on any senpai.
Any
senpai.
Okay.
चाय with analyst.
Okay, guys, this is the first time we are having Ash on the platform on our channel. I hope you are excited for हम जो भी बकचोदी अभी करने वाले हैं. Okay.
Arey boys, by the way, thank you so much for having me.
Don't
Firstly,
look over there while you're talking to him. Look over here when you're talking.
I'm talking to the audience now.
oh yeah. It's all. Arey, so as guys, देखो professional YouTubing right here. ठीक है, we are professional right now. ठीक है.
It's been a long time that we haven't recorded an episode with a guest over here.
Yeah.
The last time it was
yeah,
done
yeah.
with Shibuya Kaho नवंबर में, जो अब तक वीडियो हमने पोस्ट नहीं किया.
Bro, like okay, I'll talk about this in a bit. But boys, firstly, thank you so much for having me. It's an honor being here. ठीक है. Because मैंने तुम लोगों का चैनल कब डिस्कवर किया था? I guess 3 years ago or something like that, right? 3 years ago. And उस टाइम पे मैंने कहा damn भाई. One day or day one, you know, something.
damn भाई, Indian trash taste मिल गया हमें.
Bro, honestly, like I think yes, like, you know, I was searching for something like this, and उस time मेरे mind में ऐसा कुछ था कि I need to also make something like that, you know, like trash taste, क्योंकि I consumed 150 episodes or something like that. तब मेरे mind में आया कि मैं भी ऐसा कुछ कर सकता हूँ.
हाँ, same.
And I was like, search करता हूँ, and I was like, oh. अच्छा ऑलरेडी दो लोग हैं जिनके पास प्रॉपर सेटअप बना हुआ है.
So I'll do another thing. I'll contact Anime Team Talks and we'll make our own podcast.
Yeah, bro. No.
Like, how did that started? How did your YouTube started and Chai with Senpai?
So it's a very to be very honest, acha, so I don't believe in any like this kind of stuff that I'm about to say, but it feels like that's what happened. You know, like manifestation वाली जो चीज होती है, right? मैं honestly बता रहा हूँ, I don't believe in that. I believe more towards the hard work. मतलब तुम input डालते हो, तुम्हें hard work कभी ना कभी मिल जाएगा. That's what I believe in. And what happened was कि I don't know how मेरी एक reel viral गई. It got like 6 million something views, right? And उसके बाद I got in contact with Manav. You know Manav. You already know Manav.
I love Manav. I love
Manav
his
is amazing. I'm gonna be honest.
Bro,
Manav
his
is one of the most
acting is-
amazing people. Yeah. उसकी acting, भाई, like he should be in Bollywood movies already.
Yeah,
honestly,
we were discussing the same thing.
And like I'm so thankful for Manav as well. Like Manav, if you're watching, bro, I love you, bhai. क्योंकि I don't think this could have been possible without you, to be very honest. क्योंकि Manav ने मेरा potential देखा, ठीक है. Even though he's younger than me, right? And he's so much more. क्या बोलेंगे? He has the skill set, bhai, to be an influencer. ठीक है.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah.
I don't have that, to be very honest. I don't believe मेरे पास वो है skills yet. And then what happened was उसने
Well,
बोला,
you are beautiful looking.
नहीं भाई, I'm average.
Voice. You can
This is
sing for
called
the
average,
ladies.
Sir, beautiful आपके सामने.
Just do
बैठे
like
हुए
this in your SRK, bro.
हैं. Sir, beautiful आपके सामने बैठे हैं उधर ऐसे लगा के. ठीक है. हाँ, साहिल की बात करो. मैं साहिल की. सर आप हैरी पॉटर हैं. आप हैरी पॉटर. Different race. So
Yeah. Back to your story. Yeah. Manav. Yeah.
So Manav was such a nice guy in the beginning. Why he what he did was like as a new creator, I had like what 500 followers or something like that. He was like, "Bhai, you need to post more something like that." I asked for his advice, and then उसकी advice के बाद ही मेरी actually reel वाली गई थी. Then I started getting followers, ठीक है? But this was still like 900 something के range में. And what happened was कि फिर मैंने मानव से बात करी and like हमारा bond इतना अच्छा हो गया कि we started a little group, ठीक है? The group was something like Weebs Next Door करके हमने group बनाया था. अब तो खैर group chat date हो गई है technically, but we still are like active from like month to month basis. Dead, you know. And then क्या हुआ कि वहाँ पे मैं Ashkar से मिला. तो like we got in contact with all of these other influencers. Ashkar, Megha, Urvashi.
I mean, you guys from Delhi are having the best lives, yeah. We have no one in Pune. Pune influencers are. If you guys are watching this, contact us. We need people. Let's show these Delhi people that
Delhi
Pune is
voice.
the best.
No, I mean, I guess ये चीज it depends क्योंकि even in Delhi, यार Delhi is like it's the hub, you know, it's the vibe वाली जो जगह बोलते हैं. Although this is a gas chamber, to be very honest. This is a gas chamber. ठीक है, तुम यहाँ पे निकल नहीं सकते दिन में बाहर, तुम्हें शाम में सुबह का वेट करना पड़ता है. But yeah, I mean like you know it's a gas chamber. But anyways, so वहाँ पे in that group I got in conversation with all of these other influencers and हमने साथ में मिलके like videos बनाना शुरू किया. And then I have another thanks to Ash bhai because Ashkar ने भी मेरे को like he got me into that one event जहाँ पे तरुण आया था, ठीक है? And like what happened was like Ash ने बोला कि तू मेरा +1 बनके चल. I was like ऐसा allowed है क्या? Because I am not that big kind of thing. अरे भाई चल
+1.
Yeah. Because मेरे को कुछ पता ही नहीं था यार. Literal I had zero knowledge about the influencer market कि कैसे क्या हो रहा है. What happened was then Ashkar was like भाई तू चल, I'll take you as my +1. हम गए तो वहाँ पे एक इवेंट था एंड देन उस इवेंट में तरुण और रजत आए थे बहुत ही लेट आए. लाइक 2 घंटे समथिंग कुछ के बाद जब एकदम मिड में था ना शो खत्म होने के उसमें तब आए ये लोग. एंड वाओ मैन, लाइक दिस इज सो वियर्ड कि मैं बस अपना स्टेज पे चढ़ा, वहाँ पे उनका ओपन माइक वाला वो था. एंड बिकॉज यू नो मैं म्यूजिशियन हूँ भाई, आई एम अ म्यूजिशियन. सो मैंने बोला भाई दिस इज द मौका, भाई ओपन माइक है, मैं डोरेमोन का कोई गाना गा देता हूँ, ठीक है, समथिंग अच्छा भी हो जाएगा, लोग भी थोड़ा समझ तो जान जाएंगे. नहीं वो नहीं है. अरे कौन सा गाना है?
हेलीकॉप्टर.
Oh, that was the first time you met क्या?
Yeah,
Delhi
that was the
Metro
first
and
time.
all.
Yeah. So अगर तुम लोग Anime TM के पेज पे जाओगे, हम लोगों ने okay, मैं बैक स्टेज था एंड देन मेरे हाथ में गिटार था, मैंने किसी से मांग लिया, मैंने कहा कोई दे सकता है, उन्होंने दे दिया. अब किसी को ये नहीं पता था लाइक आई एम अ सेमी प्रोफेशनल लाइक म्यूजिशियन, किसी को नहीं पता था. ठीक है, उनको ऐसा लगा था ये बंदा है जैसा भी गाएगा,
टाइम पास करेगा.
Calm down ladies.
Yeah. But yeah bro, like what happened was मैं गया बैक स्टेज पे एंड अचानक से तरुण आया ऐसे बैक स्टेज में ही, ठीक है. एंड देन ही वाज लाइक तुम गाना गाने वाले हो क्या, मतलब आप गाना गाने वाले करके ऐसे इसने बोला. मैंने कहा हाँ भैया मैं गाना वाना गाता हूँ थोड़ा ऐसे करके. एंड मैंने कहा भाई बिग फैन क्योंकि मैंने देखा एनिमेटेड बहुत पहले से, ठीक है. मैंने कहा भाई तुम्हारे तो वीडियोस वगैरह देखी मैंने ऐसे करके. देन रजत भी आया. सो देन दे वर लाइक कि यार हम भी गा देते हैं साथ में क्योंकि हमारे पास अभी गिटार तो है नहीं, और मैंने भी किसी से मांगा ही था, मेरा गिटार नहीं था वैसे, ठीक है. एंड देन ही वाज लाइक तुम ये कौन सा गाना गा रहे हो. मैंने कहा मैं तो सोचा था भाई ऐसी, पहले मैंने सोचा शॉन मेंडिस का सोचूं, फिर मैंने कहा डोरेमोन का ही सोच रहा हूँ क्योंकि वो वैसी है, क्राउड वैसी है, यू नो एनिमे कम्युनिटी. देन दे वर लाइक भाई हम भी गा देते हैं. मैंने कहा फिर उसने पूछा, तरुण रजत ने पूछा तुम ये बजा लोगे. मैंने कहा हाँ. ये बजा लोगे. मैंने कहा हाँ. ये बजा लोगे. मैंने कहा हाँ. कह रहे भाई तुम मतलब म्यूजिशियन समथिंग कुछ. मैंने कहा हाँ. कह रहे अच्छा. तो कहते फिर तो भाई फिर हम गा लेंगे तुम्हारे साथ, ठीक है. एंड देन हमने कितेरेत्सु वाला गाना परफॉर्म किया जो वायरल चला गया वहाँ से. तो वो तो है इसके जैसा इन्वेंटर
कॉपीराइट बैठेगा रुक ले
थोड़ा सा. भाई आई लव दैट सॉन्ग टू दिस डे. आई बिलीव कितेरेत्सु के थीम सॉन्ग से अच्छा थीम सॉन्ग बना ही नहीं है क्योंकि जो वाइब है ना, दैट नॉस्टैल्जिक वाइब.
क्या
Guys, check out the podcast with Jason Page, the theme song singer of Pokemon. That is the number one theme
Oh,
song.
yeah,
You
yeah.
can't touch. I will be the very best.
No one. Oh, yeah. I saw that, bro. By the way, that was such surreal watching him. कि भाई, and by the way, yeah, congrats, भाई. तुम लोग actually में
Thank you.
you are bringing the people that we didn't think were like, you know, क्या बोलेंगे, reachable. कि भाई यहाँ पे आ
like
सके.
legends, myths.
And even when you know like Arun ने mention किया like Kaho, I was like what? like, ये कहाँ से कहाँ जा रहे हैं आप? Like भाई मैंने कर लिया है and like episode record किया like भाई यार मैंने कहा भाई अगर इतना हो गया तुम तो already हो गए like तुम्हारा scene है already.
No, yeah, we have
But
a lot to grow.
Yes, a
Bro,
lot to
I am
achieve.
waiting for that Kaho episode, bro. I want to see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I guess it will be posted in the next 2 weeks. Maybe ये episode पहले जाएगा उसके बाद. The episode is done. I'm just trying to find a very good week so that there is a proper marketing for it. Proper मैं buzz create
Proper
करना है.
campaign उसके around कर सके.
Purely proper. Okay, so
But wait, I had a follow-up question actually.
Yeah.
okay.
So you said that you were a fan of Anime TM. From there to working with Anime TM.
Yeah.
How does it feel?
See, this is what I mean. By my tangents, that's why like I got the tag yapper, I guess. But okay. So basically, what happened was जब हमने गाना वाना बजाया, because वो लोग भी लेट थे तो उन्होंने बोला भाई इवेंट में बैठ के अभी हम लोग क्या ही करेंगे और मैंने कहा भाई वहाँ पे समोसे और चाय मिल रहे हैं बाहर मजा आ जाएगा गरम गरम विंटर्स चल रही तो खा लेते हैं हम लोग गए. And then we ended up having this conversation which was so weird कि I was like भाई हाँ यार मैं भी content मतलब consume करता हूँ trash stage का तो बहुत बड़ा fan हूँ मैं भी and like Joey Gant and Geekuk everybody like मेरे को तो सब पसंद है. And I guess तरुण बॉय ने ये चीज़ कैच करी कि क्योंकि उससे पहले हमारी कम्युनिटी में आई गेस तुम दोनों के अलावा भी और मतलब आई गेस हमारे अलावा किसी ने ट्रैश टेस्ट को इतना वो ही नहीं किया कंज्यूम. सो वियर्ड.
Yeah.
They are like international people by celebrities.
Yeah.
No, but I think a lot of people have consumed trash taste, but they aren't that vocal about it.
Like for one example I can give you. This is going to sound like a flex, but we were trending on the trash taste subreddit for an entire minute on number 1.
I saw that.
And they were all Hindi peeps saying कि
ये क्या चलते हैं?
Yeah. No, I saw that. The post was we got a Indian trash test before GTS 6.
Yes. But not only that, you were also trending on Anime Mirchi ka subreddit.
Yeah. So it was
like
quite
what
crazy.
in the dark trash taste timeline is this?
Everyone is saying I am Joey Sile.
More like brown trash test.
Bro. And the funny fact is they hadn't checked our old studio which was based on trash taste. This is actually a little bit like After Dark.
After Dark, yeah.
But अगर वो लोग वो देखते थे they would have lost their balls, dude.
उसमें I guess उस वाले पोस्ट में वरुण भी था.
Yeah.
So that's why they were like अरे भाई 3 Indian.
Exactly.
Right?
They were drawing parallels. That Aryan looks like Joey.
गीगक बोल रहे थे. साहिल को गीगक बोल रहे थे. आर्यन को जोई बोल रहे थे because of his long hair. You know, Joey है.
Cool guy. I'm just gonna take this. I'm just going to interrupt the flow right now to introduce this episode sponsor, Morphic.
We have a sponsor.
Woohoo! So guys, Morphic is working on an anime. Okay. Produced by Morphic, created by Morphic. I'm just going to tell you guys a small synopsis about it, and then show you guys the trailer over here live. Okay. So let me tell you the synopsis. Sahil, if it is possible for you to read, can you please?
I am dyslexic, bro. But okay.
But you'll be able to introduce it properly rather than me doing synopsis, please.
Okay. I'm not a good voice actor, but I shall try.
Okay. The anime's name is DQN. Someone asked me why DQN, please.
Yeah, what's DQN?
Why? Like, what's the
So इंडिया में कैसे गन के साउंड को अपन डिश्यूम बोलते हैं, in Japan DQN is kind of like that same gun sound.
अच्छा, the onomatopoeia for a gun sound is DNQ. DQN.
हाँ, DQN. तो वैसा है. So this is created by a guy who is an Indian who is also working in Japan.
Nice.
Just give me that. Before the synopsis, let me just tell you the thing that made me sound like this is something new was DQN is written and directed by Kushagra Kushwaha. So this is KKK. So Kushagra we'll call him. It is directed by Kushagra, who has worked on over 30 animes and manga titles, including some names such as your favorite JoJo Stone Ocean,
Oh, are you
Vinland
serious,
Saga.
bro?
Oh,
Damn.
the man
Vinland Saga,
carries legacy.
Yu-Gi-Oh,
Okay.
Licorice Recoil, that was the anime of the year if I'm
Yeah,
not wrong,
yeah,
for
yeah.
2023 or 2022.
23.
2 or 3 something like yeah.
Haan.
Like that.
Fairy Tail 100 Years Quest and
Hmm.
Eren Zero. Like the guy has a legacy behind him.
Nice.
Now, Sahil, please read the synopsis so that after that I can share the trailer.
Okay.
Oh, Joe mentioned, let's go.
A ghost sends a message. A vault resurfaces, and suddenly, 12 strangers are pulled into a global game that feels designed by something or someone who knows them too well. अच्छा नहीं, who knows them too well. As alliances shifts,
Normal कर सकता है bro.
as alliances रुकना, अरे मैं पूरा फील डाल रहा हूँ यार, रुकना.
नहीं, from the top,
That's
from the
a
top,
lie.
from the top,
हाँ.
from
Right.
the top. From the top.
If you give it to me, I can read it in my Madara voice, bro.
Oh,
अरे यार.
wake up to reality.
Come on.
A ghost sends a message, a vault resurfaces, and suddenly, 12 strangers are pulled in a global game that feels designed by something or someone who knows them too well. Alliances shift, truths fragment, and the question isn't just who will unlock the vault, but what price will they pay to get there. Betrayal is coded, reality is forked, and only those who see beyond the system can survive it. DQN is a layered narrative of trust, control, digital warfare, and the human cost of utopian dreams. It's a story where no one is the hero, and everyone is a node in someone else's game.
Damn,
When I
that
heard
last
this,
line was
I
so
was-
good, bro.
Yeah, when I heard this, I was
So
like,
fancy, man.
I was like, इसमें Ghost in the Shell का element है, Solo Leveling का
Yeah.
element है, Sword Art Online का
Alice
सबसे
in the
element
बेस्ट
Borderland.
इज मेरे को
Alice
ये
in-
लग रहा है कि ये इसेकाई है.
Yeah.
इसेकाई.
है. Like I can't say if that is true because according
Like they get pulled in a.
Okay,
this
I'll tell you
game.
the genre. It's cyberpunk thriller, techno thriller anime set in an
Mhm.
alternate timeline where World War II never truly ended but evolved into a digital Cold
Uh-huh.
War.
Oh.
Okay, now I'm going to show the thriller.
Mean
Okay,
time.
guys, are you ready? Audience, are you ready?
Let's go.
Yay!
Let's go.
Let's go,
I'm
man.
playing
Let's
it,
go,
okay?
man.
Ooh.
In a place where the world cannot see, a revolution simmers quietly, unseen, unstoppable. We are ghosts, numbers in the system, invisible, but present everywhere.
So fan. अरे भाई.
What is visible is not everything. Countless pieces, an unfinished puzzle.
Bro,
गुलामी
And
की
the key
जंजीरों को
that the vault
तोड़ने
holds
के लिए एक दिल एक प्राण को
is that
Audio.
Subhash?
प्रतिबद्ध हो जाइए हिंदुस्तान
Yeah.
अब
That's
गुलाम
a.
नहीं रह सकता और न कोई ताकत इसे गुलाम
Not just the
रख
name,
सकती है
but the revolution itself. We are your retribution.
Oh.
crazy.
Bhai.
Okay,
Like a
I
legit
want to
cinem-
go frame by frame because this was quite
Yeah.
amazing.
Actually, bro.
Okay.
नहीं नहीं
Especially
पीछे जा.
the details in the background is
पीछे
what
जा.
I was like, you know, like जो background details and those are looking
Yeah,
crazy.
dude.
good,
Yeah. ये जो opening frame है इसमें स्टूडियो का नाम आता है like this.
Yeah.
This was like okay nice. This
Look at
was
the
like
art.
हाँ
Bhai.
Edge Runners वाला vibe आ रहा है
Correct.
मुझे
हाँ.
honestly.
Yeah.
Morphic. Dude, look at the detail now. Look at the
हाँ ना।
detail. It looks like an actual like जो ये सब लोग जो anime titles है जिसने काम किया है, it shows.
हाँ मतलब ये तो अटैक ऑन टाइटन वाला ही
Yeah. ये Indian है boy.
Yeah.
हाँ
Now I don't know how what are they trying to show, like how are they introducing Indian elements into this Japanese
सी सो दिस इज अ ग्लोबल थिंग सो इसमें कुछ एक इंडिया का आर्क होगा अलग अलग आर्क्स है
can
बीच में
be.
सुभाष चंद्र बोस का भी स्पीच
you know
था
how because जोजो का भी एक पार्ट है जो इंडिया में टेक प्लेस करता
यस
है
एग्जैक्टली या
so maybe that's the inspiration.
So yeah, like crazy bro.
बीच में मेरे को एक फ्रेम
Look at this.
भाई this is very Akira inspired.
हाँ
भाई.
ना?
हाँ
बहुत ज्यादा like,
बीच में एक फ्रेम था which reminded me of Chainsaw Man to be honest like वैसा एनिमे
अच्छा वो R rated सीन जो था एकदम बीच में.
हाँ.
Damn. हो गया.
नाइस फ्रेम this frame is like
Bruh.
Fan service.
हाँ this
This
frame
dude.
reminded
Like
me of
Noragami.
no, नहीं Noragami yes थोड़ा
हाँ.
but also Chainsaw Man
Huh.
Chainsaw Man, a bit of Psychopath, I don't know.
Yeah,
like-
yeah.
like
yeah.
I'm not talking about the blood and the character design I'm talking about the shading वो
हाँ.
nose के
Yeah,
पास
yeah,
you see
yeah.
that glimmer on the character
Yeah.
the fluidic animation style that reminded me of Chainsaw Man कर play कर
Dude, आंखें क्या I am an eye guy. Okay,
गोजो
I am
वाला
an eye
पैसा
guy.
फेंक के मारा.
हाँ bro. Dude, look at those. So
Yeah, man,
beautifully
the
done.
details are amazing
From the deceptive
Deceptive
shadows of India. and
Deceptive
Japan.
हाँ comes the story untold
Oh, D, Q ends over here. It's like the D is the play button, Q is
Yeah.
like that, and oh, dude, क्या?
हाँ 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 पॉज कर देख साइड में सुभाष चंद्र बोस का फोटो है
Yeah.
Okay, I don't think so. We can say anything on that.
हाँ मतलब I'm just saying
हाँ.
I think it is very. यार maybe इंडिया में it's not just a side story. Maybe इंडिया में major like part take place करेगा. I
yeah
think
yeah
so. ऐसा लग रहा है.
exactly because this is from the deceptive shadows of India and Japan उसमें लिखा था so
Yeah.
I think World War II के around जो story है
हो
Can be.
सकता है.
so there were a lot of talks of Subhash Chandra Bose being in alliance with the Japanese
हाँ.
for World War II yeah during World War II even the death of Subhash Chandra Bose was very controversial
Yeah.
it's said that his plane crashed in the Alps if I'm not wrong
Bro, I don't remember the location to be very honest, but I know कि it was like सब लोग कह रहे थे conspiracy हुई है.
हाँ
Like,
yeah
that's what was the like जो चीज समझ ही नहीं आई उस टाइम पे.
exactly like his plane was crashed but then there was a different body Netaji survived he went to Japan तो ऐसे काफी I guess there's a movie Tashkent Files also about this if I'm not
I
wrong
haven't seen. सही में like there is a movie
हाँ
like that.
हाँ yeah
Wow.
maybe I'm getting the name wrong but there is a movie about Subhash Chandra Bose's death yes
Damn bro. देखना पड़ेगा actually.
Okay,
हाँ.
guys, I forgot to tell you, this is made by AI.
what
Morphic has. So this is AI assisted anime
Sir.
series.
What?
whoa
So the Morphic is a company that they offer a character and style customization where you can input your own drawings. So basically AI अभी क्या हो रहा है? For example, there's another AI called Storyboard AI. Over
Okay.
there, if you write a story, it will give you a proper storyboard of it, but you will find कि हर एक scene में ना the main MC किसका color different है, किसके तो
हाँ,
बाल
हाँ.
different है, आंखें
यूनिफॉर्मिटी नहीं रहती.
correct. Over here that's not the
Bro,
scene.
at
where you
max I could
input.
tell कि भाई CG यूज हुआ थोड़ा सा, but AI का
हाँ,
तो कुछ
yeah.
ऐसा लग नहीं रहा था.
Like वो
Yeah.
CG समझ, because anime nowadays you can like
Yeah,
CG is being used
and that
quite
is what's
prevalent.
working right now.
हाँ, exactly. Like Chainsaw Man के भी काफी scenes में CG था.
Damn guys, अपना टाइम खत्म हो रहा है गुरु.
But I think this is how the world is going to progress. Like
Yeah.
AI, like
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
inevitable.
Bro, see, जिस मूवी को लोग देख के हंसते थे ना, विल स्मिथ वाली आई रोबोट, वो बस होने वाला है.
हाँ.
About to happen.
So guys, don't forget to thank ChatGPT.
Oh yeah, did you see that?
Yes,
Bro,
yes. Sam
पता है,
Altman का tweet.
I'm gonna be honest, even before seeing that meme, I used to just behave कि मैं chatting कर रहा हूँ किसी friend से, like मैं सोच रहा हूँ, hi, how are you? How are you doing, man? So you know, I'm
still do
facing
that.
this
Hey, bro.
problem. I need your help.
Like कुछ भी ChatGPT को मैं बोलता हूँ ना कि bro listen ना, I have this news article, just summarize it man, please. Like
Bro,
full on
it is
casual chats.
So creepy कि at one point, ChatGPT was addressing all of us with this formality के I'm in AI blah 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 ये.
हाँ,
But
हाँ.
अभी ऐसा हो गया है, got you man, let's go
Yeah,
and let's do
yes.
this. It's like bro, what?
I got you, bro.
So I'll just take it. We'll just talk a little bit about AI and everything, as the main sponsor of the video has created an AI assisted anime series which is going to come out in 2026.
Yeah.
So right now, अभी recently एक trend भी हुआ था in which Studio Ghibli filter was getting viral
हाँ.
and everything, and there were numerous people saying that AI lacks soul, just like Studio Ghibli का Godzilla, the main
Godzilla.
person, the main person.
Yeah, Miyazaki-san, he said,
AI
हाँ.
lacks soul. So what are your takes on it? Do you think that AI can ever match soul to hand-drawn frames? Because right now this is where Morphic is coming in between. This is not totally AI where you're not using your own creativity. This is where not only normal consumers but also brands can come and coordinate with Morphic to make a particular project, and even we can log in and make our own things.
I like how Aryan asked a question but then went forward with giving his own answer.
Okay, but
Bro was like ये question है, but मेरे को क्या लगता है?
I feel I'll ask you. Wait, मैंने निकाल रही क्यों हो यार? But I feel that depending totally on AI makes your brain dull, makes your work easy, understandable, but then where is the creativity part of it? This is where Morphic comes in middle, where there's so much customizable things can be done. You can give the character movement and everything. So this is their solution to what Miyazaki was saying. So what are your takes on it? Like, do you think that blatantly just using AI is a bad thing? And what are your thoughts on software like Morphic?
Ash, let's start with your thoughts before I chime in.
Bro, honestly, see, I believe Miyazaki के opinion में 70%, let's say like that, क्योंकि you know, like you said कि भाई AI अभी is in a state जहाँ पे it is kind of almost taking over, ठीक है, almost, but AI का use इस way में होना चाहिए in a restrictive form कि भाई you know you are just able to let's say you want to go from point A to point B, so उस point तक कैसे जाना है, the path of that कि भाई उसका जो blueprint मिलता है कि you should do this, you should do that, वो सब AI करने में मत कर सकता है. So if I'm creating an anime, for example, let's say I imagine an anime जहाँ पे ninjas वगैरह ये हैं, but I don't know how to get to a shocking point जहाँ पे सब लोग मर गए अचानक से. Then the AI is like, maybe you could, you know, copy something from Naruto, you know, like Itachi आया था, like, okay, I see what you mean. You're like, so in terms of developing मतलब helping creativity, that's what I'm like talking about. कि if it enhances your creativity as a human, then it's fine. But if you're using it for the creativity, nah, bro, that's where it actually loses the helping aspect, for like, at least for me.
What are your thoughts?
So I'll go back to Miyazaki-san's interview. He said, so he was shown this animation of a zombie
Creepy zombie crawling on the floor.
Yeah. And he said this reminded me of a friend who is disabled.
Acha, pause. If you guys haven't watched and don't know what we are talking about, I'll check the link, check the button over here. We have already posted that. Okay, so check it. Thank you.
Such a YouTuber
Continue.
moment.
Continue.
So yeah, he said that this reminds me of a friend who is disabled.
Yeah.
And what I see is your animation, it does not have that suffering, that pain. So that's why
Emotions lacking. right?
emotion
Yeah.
nahi hai. That's why his quote ki AI, it's not exactly his quote that AI lacks soul.
Hmm.
Like this, what you have done, it lacks soul. That's what he had
His
meant.
quote is AI is an insult to life.
Yeah, that's
This
he
yeah,
was right.
this is an insult to life.
Itself.
Huh. Now moving to my other point of using AI in creative fields. So in marketing, हम लोग को क्या करना पड़ता है? Like we have to come up with a lot of key visuals, and over there AI helps a lot because एक designer पे he has to work on multiple clients,
Correct.
on multiple projects at the same time.
Correct.
So that process, na, as you said, ki point A se point B, you
Yeah,
can
yeah.
travel from point A to point B walking. You can take a bike, you can take a
Yeah.
car, you can
Yeah.
pass by in a rocket ship. I think AI is like that rocket ship where, like, no doubt you have to give a proper brief. ऐसा नहीं
Yeah.
कि hey ChatGPT, what's up? मेरे को key visual बना के दे.
Correct.
Like you have
College नहीं
to.
चल रहा है यहाँ.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Now
So
I'll
you have to give a proper detailed brief key. I want my key visual to look like this,
Correct.
where
Yeah,
my
yeah.
product is visible.
Correct.
Background mein I want these specific elements.
Correct.
So similarly, I guess that is how it's gonna happen for anime as well, and I don't think that's an issue. To be
Correct.
honest.
I'll take this point ahead from coming from an anime point of view, while you were talking in a marketing agency's point of view. This is an AI assisted platform
Yeah.
where you're not totally dependent on the AI, but you can take that help. Now, we have to make sure that we specify this on anime, because in Japan there are so many mangakas, anime content creators, animators that are losing their life
Yeah.
overworking, where
Yeah.
this platform allegedly might
Allegedly.
help them
Mm-hmm.
perform better, help them make content where their life is not in stake. If you talk in that point of
See,
view.
bro.
I mean, it
it's a
does
tool.
make sense.
See, it's a tool.
Yeah.
See, जब पहले Photoshop नहीं था, then people used to come up with hand-drawn illustrations. People were overburdened back then. Nowadays also, when people are using Photoshop, they are still overburdened. Now with the advent of AI, people will again, they will give more output.
Yeah.
But as a company who puts pressure on its employees, that is a constant thing.
yeah.
Yeah.
So the animation studios would obviously churn out more content more quickly, but जो pressure की बात है over the animators, I don't think that's gonna go anywhere.
What do you think, bro?
I think it can reduce the work in a form. Let's say अगर एक movement है जिसमें एक character को ऐसे animate किया हाथ से हाथ यहाँ लाने के लिए, तो maybe 1, 2, 3 can be animated by the animator itself, but the 3 like 2 and 4 can be done with the AI. Like gaps of filling those effort wale. But even then, I've seen all of the things that ChatGPT in itself has done, and like it is very visible, or at least कि हाँ भाई ये AI से हुआ है. On the other hand, our parents are like, अरे ये देखो ये तो ऐसे बदल के ऐसा होगा, ऐसे कैसे हो रहा है, उनको पता this is AI यार, ये तो चल रहा है आजकल की दुनिया में AI.
Yeah.
So it is.
So we'll go back to DQNs a little bit. I want to tell you guys about the world that they are building while we guys were speculating and everything. They have given me a little bit of information for us to talk about. DQN unfolds in the fractured mirror of our own timeline. A world where World War II didn't end, it merely transformed. Empires collapsed on the surface, but beneath the noise, a new war was born. Fought not by the bombs and borders, but with algorithms, narratives, cryptographics, and dominance. The planet is now divided into digital empires and ghost regimens.
Ghost regimes.
Okay, I cannot. Can I? Okay, I that's it.
That's it.
बाकी
Ah,
I
okay.
guess characters की names and everything I guess which I can't reveal.
Acha, not
Yeah,
yet.
yeah, yeah.
Haan,
Makes
not
sense,
yet.
Makes sense. Not out yet.
Yeah.
Yeah, why that is amazing, yeah. I mean, like,
Hmm.
it looks like a. It sounds like a. Have you guys seen Steins Gate? Steins Gate में
Yeah.
alternate timeline का पूरा वो है ना, एक तो
Hmm.
वैसा sound कर रहा है जिसमें
Yeah.
एक timeline जहाँ पे Okabe ने बचा लिया था and एक
Hmm.
timeline जहाँ
हाँ.
पे he suffered.
Hmm.
This is what it sounds like, but it's amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's amazing. It sounds amazing.
हाँ,
Concept बहुत
like
अच्छा.
and something like this coming from India.
Yeah.
India and
that-
Japan. India. We can't say that. We have to say India and Japan.
हाँ, like it's a
Indian.
joint
Yeah, yeah.
collaboration. Yes,
Yeah.
agreed. But then we are Indians यार, we are proud कि इसमें Indian aspect है.
वो भी है.
वही है ना
कोई भी-
हनुमान काइंड मैन लेट्स गो.
हाँ, मतलब कोई हॉलीवुड मूवी में अगर कोई इंडियन दिखा दे कि ये अपना बंदा.
Tell me about what do you guys think about the voiceover done on the thing, because I felt it was
Yeah.
quite anonymous. The
Hacker group.
Hacker group.
Hacker
It was kind of like that, like intensive. What are your thoughts?
ऑडियो मेरे को मतलब
Like when
Again,
the bike
it's-
also went, "Vyung," the SFX that were done were
Mhm.
quite good. So what were your thoughts?
ना amazing यार amazing.
हाँ.
Like even because क्योंकि मैं as a like उसमें देख रहा हूँ ना मीटिंग में even because of the हल्का सा जो क्वालिटी रिड्यूस जाता है ऑडियो का even with that it was sounding amazing. So like ऐसा लग रहा है कि भाई अगर एक्चुअली में जब देखेंगे सामने सामने अपने लैपटॉप्स वगैरह पे तो फिर तो अलग ही एक्सपीरियंस होगा यार.
हाँ, like as a musician, I guess you might talk more about the musical aspect or the SFX.
Yeah. I mean, so you can already like अगर कोई वापस जाके देखिएगा like in the video you can see भाई कि एक build up वाला stage उन्होंने दिखा और एक deliverance drop
Yeah.
किया है. That is amazing यार. That is called composition like cinematics wise that's done.
Hmm.
And काफी अच्छा भाई like it hooked you from the see साहिल ने क्या किया वापस जाके पहले जो लोगो वाला जो साउंड आया था पहले वही चेक करो भाई काफी cool लग रहा था. That is how they catch
Yeah.
you right. Music is
Yeah.
very underrated. Why this is funny you should mention that because okay it's not out yet but like we also did a podcast on like music के around your line April के ऊपर ही किया
Oh.
and
With any creator?
yeah what
With what your line April के creators?
no
नहीं,
just
the topic was on
अच्छा,
your
okay.
line
I
April.
was like,
It's April.
हाँ, bro.
बड़ी मछली फंस गई.
no sir no
मेरे को क्यों नहीं फंसी? मेरे को भी फंसना पड़ेगा.
yeah I mean like that was where I as a musician also like spoke a lot about this as well right कि भाई music is taken for granted now भाई it is taken for granted because अभी तो AI से हो जाता है but then again भाई I could not tell कि इस वाले इसमें AI से बना हुआ था which is so
Yeah.
weird like ऐसा
Yeah, like did you actually imagine it was AI before me telling you?
नहीं, मेरे को वो legit CG like Chainsaw Man types का मेरे
CG
को लग रहा था. हाँ.
yeah CGI ज्यादा लग रहा था ऐसा लग रहा था कि CGI थोड़ा ज्यादा used है but then when you said AI I was like oh damn भाई
Like when this trailer starts, when the clock animation was
yeah
worked
yeah and
itself udhari, like it was something like it gave me cyberpunk
The entire trailer in
vibe.
itself gave a cyberpunk wala
vibe
vibe.
था
Yeah.
yeah I mean bro to be very honest when I'm watching an anime like of any sort doesn't matter कि 2D है 3D है you know like even if I'm watching Motu Patlu you know Nickelodeon पे, what I actually admire is कि how much efforts actually goes into the backgrounds not just the main character
yeah
like if you know because you know अगर तुम लोगों ने वैसे हम सब ने देखा है तुम लोगों ने क्या सभी ने देखा है जो देख रहे हैं टॉम एंड जेरी बचपन में हम लोग देखते थे
Yeah.
usually what used to happen was all of the background was used watercolor से painting वगैरह सब
Yeah.
बना के उन्होंने छोड़ दिया still
Yeah.
बाकी सब उसके ऊपर animate होता
Correct.
था right that was the same thing that they used to follow for like क्या बोलते हैं Akira अगर तुम लोगों ने Akira भी देखी है all of the background was actually painted like for every frame
wasn't that
भाई वो
done
तो
for
अलग
Ranking
level
of
है।
Kings as well?
या उसमें तो अलग लेवल का उन लोगों ने लाइक कमिटमेंट दिखाया है एंड दिस इज व्हाट आई मीन कि मैंने सबसे पहली चीज यही इसी की वही नोटिस करी बैकग्राउंड इट इज लुकिंग अमेजिंग लुकिंग गुड भाई
Yeah.
Like I've seen a lot of other Indian anime studios and सबसे पहले ध्यान बैकग्राउंड पे ही जाता है.
yeah.
Like how much amount of details like not just on your character but how they are in an environment because the environment is what sets the mood.
या ट्रू
So you can't take the background for granted कि उसको
Yeah.
थोड़ा lightly shade कर दिया, हल्के drawings elements add कर दिए. नहीं,
Yeah.
it needs to be detailed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And all of you people down in the comments, I have few questions for you as well. Like I have more than 5 questions right now. You guys can answer it in the comments. Like, what stood out the most for you in this trailer? Was it the clocking, which was for me? Actually, it was the bike car and the
yeah.
gunshot.
For me, it was that pole dancing scene.
Oh yeah, also
A
that.
man of culture, I see.
Yes.
Okay.
Could you
Thank
tell, like, could you guys tell that which part of it was AI and which parts wasn't it? Like, let us know in the comments. Also know ki how did the character design feel to you guys? AI stiff tha or was it ekdam clean and pure?
Fluidic.
Fluid. Was the pacing and editing weird to you or did it flow well? Do you think that again AI can the soul wala thing do you think AI lacks soul and AI, as this is not AI created but this is AI assisted content, do you guys feel that this is something that has your approval on it? Do let us know your thoughts. And last but not least, do you feel that do you feel about the animation compared to other indie animes? For example, other indie animes that are Mowgli, Ramayana, Motu Patlu, all
Chota
of these,
Bheem.
Chota Bheem. Now think about this in an anime perspective where you're getting more
Poles apart.
ha. So do let us know
नहीं,
what
like,
your
Ramayana was a different on a different scale,
yeah.
but
Yeah,
There was
because
no
that
AI
was
over there.
also a collaboration of Japan
Exactly.
and India, right?
Correct.
So,
Yeah.
Correct.
so and
Yeah.
Mowgli was also an anime.
Yeah.
Yeah, technically yes. Like
Cool.
पुराना वाला जो था ना जंगल
Yeah, that was an anime. Yeah.
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 Cool. So guys, let us know in the comments what you guys think, and do check out Morphic and DQ, and their Instagram and everything will be in the description. I will actually suggest go and check out their platform because it was mind blowing. You have 3 tiers, $29, $49 and something more, in which you get the basic or everything, and then at the last tier you guys can connect with Morphic to make your own projects. So do
Enterprise
check
packages.
Yeah, so do check out Morphic. That is MORPHIC Morphic. Check them out. Links in the description. Now getting back to the podcast, Ash.
Yes sir, yes sir.
एक Instagram पे when we put a poll in which we ask कि tell this, like ask Ash anything. One person said that please ask Ash why does he hate fan service. Let me close this and now tell me.
That's a very juicy question.
क्या scene है तेरा?
Acha, so I'll be honest guys, see, I am not against fan service completely, but
हाँ.
it should make sense in the story. तो मैं बताता हूँ कैसे. Let's say for example, okay, One Piece को लेते हैं for example. It's like the biggest, क्या बोलेंगे उस पे, like you know उस पे बोलते लोग fan service बहुत ज़्यादा है, ये है वो ज़्यादा, right? But if you see किस environment में, bro, they are on a ship.
Exactly.
गर्मी होती है, ह्यूमिडिटी होती है. It makes sense कि भाई सब लोग ऐसे you know वो उसमें घूम रहे swim suits में.
Well, there are also the same people who have watched Pirates of the Caribbean where there was no nudity.
Technically there is, but not no, bro. Okay, no. We are talking about two different things. You are talking about pull. ठीक है. देसी accent में pull वैसे नहीं भाई. But yeah, like मैं ये ऐसे सोचता हूँ कि if it makes sense during the story, like within this क्या बोलते हैं universe या फिर जो हमको present कर रहे हैं anime, then it's fine. जैसे अब ये ले लो, मैं बताता हूँ क्या. The biggest example I take for the unnecessary fan service are 2 animes. अभी तो मेरी hit list में पहला anime जो अभी skyrocket हुआ, that is Alia sometimes hides her feelings in Russian, which is like I was like, what's
that anime
I
has-
like it.
That anime has fan service.
Yeah.
bro?
Nice. I'm gonna watch it now.
मैंने ड्रॉप कर दिया.
I liked that anime. I loved that anime. I was like, yay!
Okay, Sahil, let me tell you why he likes this anime. Or maybe you know what he actually liked. There is fan service happening between the guy and his sister.
Is it?
नहीं, that
Sir,
Oh yeah.
Sir,
They're step
what
siblings,
are you
no?
Oh
talking-
yeah,
No.
yeah. I just remembered. No.
His actual sister. His
What?
actual
So
sister.
her
These
उसकी
bloody
बहन-
SAO fans,
उसकी
man.
बहन- उसकी- shit. Fuck, हाँ.
Bro, he was like,
Sword Art
I
Online
love that
degenerates."
anime.
So okay, so her sister, उसकी बहन जो है, she's a otaku, die hard otaku who's wanting
But-
anime themed scenarios happening to her in real life.
Okay.
So that's all.
Bro.
And also the thing
but
is that
but
they-
she
But
speaks
then
in
again-
Russian,
No, no,
but
no,
the
no, no,
guy
no, no,
also
no, no,
knows
no, no,
Russian.
no, 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 no.
Ha. He knows.
No.
He knows Russian.
Ah.
And
Wait.
he's not telling that girl. Alia is a different
exactly.
girl. Alia is a
Alia
different
is a different girl. His sister वो different है.
अच्छा, oh, okay,
हाँ.
okay,
girl.
okay.
ठीक है?
So सीन क्या है कि वो दोनों भाई बहन बचपन में ही बिछड़ गए थे, वरना फिर से after like 10 years they are back together, they're staying together. उसको wake up calls देती है वो.
This is not helping your case, bro. This is not helping.
Yeah, but
अरे,
I'll tell you why I liked that anime, because I like anime like Horimiya, Snafu, Tomozaki?
Bottom tier
Bottom
character.
tier character.
Tomozaki
I like
Kun,
such
हाँ.
animes that like it's like Shangri-La बहुत ज़्यादा देख लिया, One Piece बहुत ऐसे देख लिया. I want to watch something cool, something not that is not going to fuck with my head. I just want to watch not hardcore animation but hardcore story.
Mhm.
No, I mean, see,
Hardcore fan service.
पहले Alia, right? If you have watched that anime, guys, in the chat, तुम लोगों को पता है कि उसकी बहन actively she's looking for ways on how to reveal herself, ठीक है?
Oh, fuck.
Like,
Oh, yeah.
वो bro, literally, and I was like, ये क्यों देखूंगा मैं पागल हूँ क्या? Like, नहीं भाई, मेरे को नहीं देखना ये.
Like it's like उसके
okay,
बॉडी
maybe-
के ऊपर ऐसे ऊपर लिखा है अंग लगा दे रहे.
I was like, bro, okay, maybe some people vibe with this. I don't. So I was like, I was very vocal about this even on Chai Vasan. I was like, भाई नहीं देख रहा मैं आगे, कुछ भी कर लो, मेरे को नहीं देखना ऐसा. And then same goes for MHA.
What? Okay, so wait.
MHA, हाँ, MHA में
MHA
the
में-
What's
underage
MHA?
girls.
Yeah,
My,
that's
My
what
Hero
I mean.
Academia.
Those are students.
हाँ.
Those are students, and I
Yeah.
don't think they should be shown in that way, yaar.
हाँ.
Yeah,
Those skimpy outfits, yeah, like Momo
bro, not,
having
not yaar,
Momos.
yeah, like
Momos being
So,
visible like that.
it makes sense in this setting, right? So if you have seen, let's say,
For example, अभी DQN के इसमें जैसे वो pole dancer is good
Yeah.
fan service because that
Yeah.
is the scenario that she is into. So that is good fan
Yeah,
service.
that dystopian future.
Correct.
she was looking of age कि भाई ठीक है,
Yeah.
इसने अपने आप consent choice ली है, then it makes sense.
Correct.
हाँ.
Correct.
But then भाई, yeah,
Have you
see, this
seen?
one- yeah.
Have you seen? Have you read Metamorphic?
Metamorphosis.
हाँ.
That's the
By
manga.
Shindol.
Is that an anime? Like,
It's a
manga
It's a
or-
doujinshi.
Doujinshi, yeah.
Do not search it. You'll get cursed.
oh, okay,
Uh-huh.
okay, all right.
Like if you wanna get depressed, you can read it.
No, sir. आपने डोजिंशी का नाम लिया, मैंने कहा सही है. That's okay.
I
but-
don't know
हाँ.
why I went over there.
But
Bro,
like see,
even in this current season में ताकम इंसान वाला जो भी है वो कि please पता नहीं क्या, even in the title of the anime they have please remove these something ताकम इंसान, and the story का वो जो वो होता है ना anime का poster, उसमें वो कर रही है basically. I was like, मैं क्यों देखूं भाई? Like, what is
last year एक ऐसा anime आया था, I want to be somebody son's dog.
हाँ.
even
Pet me
I
something
remember
something.
that.
हाँ.
That
उसमें
anime
भी है,
is so
उसमें भी है.
cursed.
Like
But-
भाई I believe
Like
इसके
some,
world
like
में
we
कुछ
have
भी हो रहा है.
spoken about this multiple times. Some animes are made for the doujinshis. Tomozaki-chan, Nagatoro-san,
हाँ.
नहीं वो कौन सा है वो
Uzaki.
Uzaki-chan नहीं तो नागोतोरो के creators are doujinshi creators. So they are made for the doujinshi so that
I won't say
once-
made for it, but like he knows his audience. Ki
हाँ. So
this will
after
get
that, they are
that
going to
kind of
हाँ.
reception. Yeah.
Yeah,
भाई
so-
देखो, मेरी जो स्पेसिफिक ऑडियंस है ना, जो मेरे खुद के चैनल पे आते हैं फिफ्थ सेंस पे, व्हेन आई वाज वाचिंग वन पीस दे वर लाइक आप क्यों देख रहे हो, यही यू नो लाइक दे यूजुअली आस्क कि आप तो फैन सर्विस नहीं देखते, ये सब क्यों देख रहे हो ये सब. मैंने कहा भाई देखो, पहली चीज अगर तुम उसको एक्टिवली उस चीज को देख रहे हो देन इट्स योर प्रॉब्लम. आई डोंट फोकस ऑन दैट, ठीक है. सेकंड चीज, the only fan service that I'm living and breathing for, it's Frankie's flashlights, ठीक है भाई. Those are the two things that I
Nice.
actually,
None
ये
of
मेरे
us have
audience को
watched One
समझ में आएगा.
Piece. We are not
Yeah.
One Piece
अच्छा
followers.
नहीं, अच्छा okay
I've seen One Piece when I was a child.
हाँ.
oh, अच्छा.
उसके बाद मैंने ड्रॉप कर दिया. I want to wait till it's over.
जब वो टीवी पे आया था तब मैंने देखा था, जब वो कैट्स वाला जो क्रू है ना, तो फर्स्ट
हाँ.
फाइट That's
okay,
it.
okay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Now I'm telling
and
you,
like
अगर
first
मेरे
50
चैनल के
episodes
ऑडियंस
में.
आएगी कमेंट सेक्शन में, they will definitely post something flashlights and like something like that. You will know because I've said this many times, by the way. Yeah.
Hmm.
So yeah.
See, for me, there's one anime जिसका मुझे fan service बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं है, and मुझे एक anime पसंद है जिसमें fan service बहुत ज़्यादा है. जिसमें पसंद नहीं है, that is Fire Force. Like unnecessarily.
Bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like Fire Force fan service. The cat girl.
The
I
cat
like
girl
cat
नहीं, it breaks away from the tension of the scene. मेरे को उससे issue है.
Yes. मैंने Fire Force इस चक्कर में ड्रॉप किया था.
हाँ, when she was gonna get killed by her senior, like her life is in trouble, like she's gonna die, and her clothes come off. Like फिर उसके बाद शिनरा आके उसको बचाता
Which
है.
is your number one anime?
Wait, I'm getting to that point. I'm getting to that point.
Which is your number one
I'm
anime?
getting to that point.
Let
Wait
me
a second.
build up to the
हाँ.
deliverance.
Yeah, I'm getting to that point. Relax.
Okay.
So फिर शिनरा आके उसको बचाता है. तो वो जो tension है of the knight in shining armor coming to save the damsel, like, does the damsel really need to be nude in that scene?
Yeah.
And this is said by Sahil, whose number one anime is Naruto.
हाँ,
You want to say it? I want to say it because I will say it better.
बोल.
जिसके लास्ट फाइट में 700 एपिसोड के बाद लास्ट फाइट में कागुया को बचाने उसको
हराने के लिए
he does sexy jutsu.
reverse sexy jutsu,
हाँ.
reverse harem jutsu. Yes.
Very nice.
See, नहीं. So अरे that is in the story, but
So that is also in the story.
नहीं. So they try defeating Kaguya with multiple jutsus and nothing is working. So that one instance where he uses reverse harem jutsu, she's taken aback for a minute. That gives them that opening to see her. हाँ, फिर हाथ लगाओ. Yes.
Like, I get that. Like, bro, to be very honest, this is what I say about fan service. भाई
And
देखो, जिनको
हाँ,
नहीं देखनी
this,
उनको
हाँ.
क्वेश्चन मत करो कि क्यों नहीं देखनी.
Yeah.
जिनको देखनी है तुम भर के देखो भाई, अलग-अलग साइड से तुम जाके खो जाओ, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. But it's all about preference. It's all about preference, भाई. Simple सी बात है. So yeah.
And back to Naruto wala point. Again, I'm such a Naruto fanboy. I have to defend it till my last dying breath. उसमें again him using a sexy jutsu or reverse sexy jutsu is a callback to the first episode of Naruto itself. So when the entire series is concluding, they had to use it in some or the other way.
Shut up, you're just finding the reasons to be degenerate.
No.
That's a very convincing reason, to be very honest. कि भाई देखो, वो अपने कुछ तो बोलेगा ना कि देखो स्टार्टिंग में यहाँ से मैं यहाँ तक पहुँच गया हूँ, होकागे की रेंज में अब तो भाई.
But like Naruto is again, it brought the entire story like full round circle. मेरे को लगा.
Like it's like बचपन में जब तुम ये सीन ऐसे छुप के दिखने के, अभी 700 एपिसोड बाद जब तुम बड़े हो गए, तुम खुला ऐसे देख सकते हो.
नहीं, अरे तू ये सोच ना, in this case then why didn't he use that same jutsu for any other villain or when he's fighting Sasuke?
Yeah. I think at
Sasuke
that
के सामने
point
क्या
Naruto was
लेके आने वाला है वो?
Naruto
कुछ
was like
भी.
कुछ भी वर्क नहीं कर रहा, ये तो कर जाएगा.
हाँ.
So then he does it and it works.
Exactly.
Wow.
Yeah.
Kaguya is such simp. That to an alien milf simp.
And हाँ, I was gonna say कि मेरे को एक anime पसंद है जिसमें भर के fan service है, and that is High School DxD.
हाँ.
Bro, that is not even fan service, that is borderline like
Yeah, it
हाँ.
is borderline hentai anime.
tie.
Yeah.
But उसमें जो ecchi scenes है, that are helpful for the progression of the story. Like Rias tells Issei कि if you are able to do this task, like she knows that Issei wants to go her, okay? तो वो उसको बोलती है कि if you are able to do this task, then I will let you do this. So the lewdness is a part of the story.
To be very honest, मैंने नहीं देखा है क्योंकि मैंने उसका एक ट्रेलर देखा था जिसमें वो फाइट कर रहे होते हैं, बुलेट्स ऐसे जा रही होती हैं ऐसे यूं, and I was like never touching this anime.
Wait, bullets?
Don't know about this.
Are you talking
Are you
about?
talking about?
You're talking about High School of the Dead.
हाँ.
I don't know, like
उसमें
पता नहीं
zombies
किसी
है
ने
ना?
को- I don't know भाई एक पता नहीं बहुत I'm telling you this like from like probably 10 years ago or something like that. मेरा एक दोस्त जो उस टाइम देखता था anime, he was like ये देखियो. मैंने कहा भाई ये क्या दिखा रहा है तू यार? He was like ये high school DxD something कुछ
High School of the Dead.
High School of the Dead था जिसमें वो बुलेट ऐसे बीच में ऐसे between two
something
jigglies.
yeah something like that yeah.
Okay,
So,
cool.
yeah.
I this is getting too cursed and sponsor है guys.
We can't talk too much etchy.
Okay,
YouTube
Ash.
please माफ कर देना.
Ash, we usually ask our guests before closing for their top 3 anime. So can you tell us your top 3 anime?
So I always start with zero. ठीक है. Zero जिसका spot जिंदगी में कोई नहीं ले पाएगा. No anime can
Is
actually
Code
take
Geass.
the spot. Is Dragon Ball.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Dragon Ball is the reason that I watch anime or why the reason I got into anime. क्योंकि जब मेरे को पता नहीं था anime क्या होता है तब मैं देखता था वो, right? And भाई Goku has been the sole reason भी नहीं बोलूँगी, like one of the driving forces in me personally कि भाई अगर तुम्हारे लक में नहीं तो तुम हार्ड वर्क से अचीव कर दो.
You said driving forces in me. Right after going through a degenerate segment.
क्या बोलूँ
You
भाई?
only said let's not talk about it. Wow, Aryan.
Let's it's fine bro. But yeah bro, he was one of the driving forces in me. Nah, I mean yeah bro, like Goku has been a big inspiration, not just like क्या बोलते हैं mentally. I like the concept of never giving, and you know right,
Yeah,
Big
yeah.
3 properly inspired है Dragon Ball.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
I don't like the fact जब Big 3 के fans, even though मैंने सारे Big 3 consume कर दिए पूरे A to Z, ठीक है. Even then Dragon, मैं मानता हूँ कि Dragon
Yeah.
Ball की story writing उस टाइम के ज़माने के हिसाब से अगर तुम उनको compare करो, it's not that good. But why Dragon Ball walked so that they could run? That's the point.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
Akira
when
Toriyama, yeah.
when you say Dragon Ball, do you mean Dragon Ball or Dragon Ball Z?
Dragon Ball. अगर Dragon Ball exist नहीं करता तो Z नहीं करता. अगर Z नहीं करता तो
बाकी के big three नहीं होते.
Yeah, exactly.
True. Your second favorite anime?
No,
So
like first.
First.
Yeah.
Zero golden tier is Dragon Ball. Now let's get to first. First is Code Geass of all time. ठीक है. And
Quite ironic because in Code Geass he says I am zero.
भाई but yeah seriously like मैंने even जब Attack on Titan का final आया था manga chapter, I was like भाई ये तो ललूश move है भाई, this is a ललूश move भाई. And you could see even on Twitter, by the way this is not disrespect to like Attack on Titan की writing कुछ next level की है, but you cannot deny कि हाँ भाई वो जो थोड़ा similarity towards the end कि भाई सब मेरे को hate करो rather than fighting amongst yourselves. It makes sense यार. It could have been inspired or it could have also not been inspired, but it came first and it was an anime original.
Yeah.
Like उसका कुछ material भी नहीं था भाई, and they pulled that off, so I was like भाई ये तो जाएगा गोट में.
Yeah.
Then number 2 पे आता है Steins Gate. Steins Gate will always be my number 1 time travel anime क्योंकि bro, have you guys seen Steins Gate? देखा है ना तुम लोगों ने?
Dropped it.
मैंने Steins Gate अब तक देखा नहीं है. Like I have saved it for a rainy day. Like I have.
I'll tell you why I dropped it because
Did you drop it because of the boring 10 episodes, first 10 episodes?
yeah, and also I
Bro.
was watching it in 360p quality few years ago. Well, there were no good websites and no good platforms. I was watching it in a very bad quality where it was not looking good.
And
So-
I'm telling you, अगर सिर्फ उस
I'll
10
start
एपिसोड के
again.
बाद कुछ शुरू किया होता ना यार, even the 11th episode is where everything is, you're like भाई ये तो master level की writing अचानक से शुरू हो गई, like ये क्या हो गया, because the story jumps. Imagine bottom में screen के नीचे से हाथ दिखा रहा हूँ, यहाँ पे भी नहीं है, minus में है story, because that's the reason why you dropped it, right? You were like
Have you
same चीज हो रहा है.
Have you seen
Right.
the anime called Charlotte?
Yeah, I've seen it.
It's the same way, same thing. I liked that anime after the 10th episode.
No, actually, I believe Charlotte started very strong. It was very good, but then it dropped. Like वो ऐसे
Yeah.
चल रहा था, वो ऐसे चला गया.
But then it went like this as soon as that the psychological things started to happen with the
Yeah.
MC and time travel and
And वो
shit.
भी Code Geass जैसा लगता है थोड़ा because of the art style, right? But I'm telling you, and this is for everybody, if you want a recommendation, go and watch Steins Gate. I know 10 episode तुम्हें ऐसे लगेंगे भाई के oh my god मैं कैसे survive कर रहा हूँ इतनी boring चीज, but trust me उसका एक reason है. There is a okay, if I had to explain it to you, they're trying to build a relationship between the viewer and the जो cast है, ठीक है? You don't understand this until the breaking point happens, but then you realize, oh my god, I love these characters. और जब उनके साथ वो बुरी चीजें होने लगती हैं, then you like, ये तो देखा नहीं जा रहा मेरे से भाई, इनके साथ तो अच्छे टाइम देख लिए थे मैंने. And you start to experience this mental state of Okabe. Okabe is the main character of Steins Gate. And the fact भाई कि season 1 was masterful enough. Season 2 somehow it's a क्या बोलेंगे, prequel of season 1. But it surpasses, like मतलब वो उसको 20 times legendary बना देता है. भाई तुम देखो यार, it's not explainable यार, तुम्हें देखना पड़ेगा. ठीक है,
देखना पड़ेगा.
Like हाँ,
देखना
like
पड़ेगा भाई.
I have saved Steins Gate for like a rainy day. ऐसा मेरे पास काफी anime है जो मेरे को पता है are like goated by a lot of people.
Yeah. Bro,
Amongst them it's Steins Gate and FMAAB.
Yeah. FMA, अरे भाई वो तो यार. See.
Yeah.
FMAB और Steins Gate में एक difference है. Both of them are a master level story. But to be
Yeah.
very honest, FMAB की जो community, they're very vocal about it being
Yeah.
good, right? But there is a reason Steins Gate के बारे में कोई बात नहीं करता, but उसके बाद भी वो number 2 में MAL पे हमेशा से.
Yeah.
उसका number 2 का spot कोई ले ही नहीं पाता है Steins Gate का. And
Because there are too many haters for Sword Art Online.
भाई अभी तो free रहना है number 1 पे. अभी तो free
हाँ.
रहना है. And it makes sense.
Yeah,
Cool, yeah, bro,
Frieren was actually quite good. Yeah.
Free is good.
Your third favorite anime.
So third is a always, मैं बोलूँगा it's a substitute place जो कि change होती रहती है इन तीनों के बाद, right? But there is this one anime जो कि मैंने finish भी नहीं किया है. It's called Mushishi. ठीक है?
Hey, okay.
हाँ. उसकी episodes ही limited है. 12 something कुछ episodes है.
Okay.
I must tell you something, bro. You should be proud. This is the first anime that I have never heard.
Oh, okay.
And the only one before that who has ever done that to me, like then you're technically the second, was Kaho-san.
Kaho, अच्छा. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. उन्होंने कौन सा बताया था?
एक उनसे तो भी मैक्स का एनिमे था that was like totally आइडियलिज्म था उसमें, मैक्स थे, बहुत कुछ था.
Okay, मेका होते तो नहीं बोल रही थी like something like that.
नहीं.
Alright.
Kaho-san said some other anime. हाँ, मैंने भी कभी पहले सुना नहीं था.
Okay, alright.
Yeah,
So-
but this one that you just
Momoshi.
mentioned.
Yeah. So okay, hear me. This is a hear me out situation. Hear me out.
अच्छा.
The reason मैं honestly बता रहा हूँ. If you are a person who likes to see bam boom bam bam, you know, like action anime, you will not love this anime. You will drop it.
Uh-huh.
It's just 12 episodes, but here's the catch. तुम लोगों को एक फीलिंग याद है जब तुम छोटे थे. This is like to both of you and the viewers as well. जब तुम लोग छोटे थे, you used to sit like maybe 10 बज गए हैं, ठीक है, and you're about to sleep. Then your parents are telling you a story. But just imagine that feel, ठीक है, कि तुम अपने comfort zone में हो, मम्मी तुम्हारे साइड में बैठे, पापा तुम्हारे साइड में बैठे, whatever, like who is telling the story, and you are just in this fantasy land of wow, क्या कहानी है, मजा आ रहा है सुनने में यार. Like मैं भी imagine कर रहा हूँ. Like Mushishi somehow creates this feel. I don't know how, bro. It is so inexplicable, yaar. It has just 12 episodes. None of the episodes are related to each other. सारे अलग हैं.
Huh. Is it like Monogatari types?
Not really. उसमें कुछ भी traumatic नहीं है. Nothing trauma like. Everything is happy. Everything is happy.
Huh. No, but like
yeah.
you said, they're all different. So like
Yeah.
anthology.
You could. It's fantasy. It's fantasy.
मैं उठ के निकलूँ क्या? Use words that I can understand. Na pledge.
Hey, like Junji Ito's
Yeah.
anthology
You could
types.
say something like let's say something between fantasy and weird. But it's in such a sweet spot कि भाई तुम जैसे ही देखो, it's something you have to savor. You can't finish it in one go. If you do, you will regret it. Trust me. मैंने उसके 3 एपिसोड देखे, मैंने उसको बचा दिया. मैंने कहा भाई ये जिंदगी में एक बार ही देखने वाली चीज़ है, इसको मैं ख़त्म नहीं कर सकता हूँ ऐसे. So whenever I feel like कि अब तो आज मेरे से कुछ ना हो रहा है, सब कुछ मतलब मेरे कंट्रोल के बाहर है, that's when I'll watch the 4th episode. ठीक है? That's when. So yeah, those are my top 3. And people मेरे को पता है, इसमें लोग सोचेंगे Attack on Titan नहीं डाला, Full Metal Alchemist नहीं डाला, ये नहीं डाला. भाई ठीक है यार, it's all good. Top 10 का पूछते तो मैं दूसरा बताता, but then yeah, that's it.
Cool. Yeah, I guess this is we have exhausted our time
Yeah.
for this episode. Dude, we'll do another episode where we dive deep inside you as
Inside
a topic.
you.
In my
Wow.
As a topic.
all right. I'll be on it, boys.
Windows.
Whenever you call me, I'll be available.
And maybe
Just, you
we'll talk some things behind Tarun's back.
know, the T for T man. Huh?
Yeah.
Acha, by the way, where is your chai with senpai ka glass? Why aren't you having your tea?
देखो यार तुम
Fake-
पैसे वाले
what's
लोग
a
हो भाई
marketing-
हमारे पास पैसे नहीं है
अरे चाय का पानी तो भी लेता, मार्केटिंग किधर गया तेरा?
यार bro, to be very honest अभी ना see I believe हम लोग उस फेज में हैं we are actually still climbing the market या फिर तुम बोलो the community but I believe all of that will happen once we go mainstream थोड़ा अभी हम हुए नहीं है to be very honest अभी हम नहीं है अभी हम लोग literally zero हैं I believe कि हम लोग चल रहे हैं अभी उस पॉइंट हम लोग सही पाथ पे हैं I can say that because we have a very strong connection with our own community if we say something wrong they come back to us and they're like तुमने ऐसा कैसे बोला then in the next stream we're like अरे भाई माफ कर दो ठीक है
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
it's a very क्या बोलते हैं community esque जो हमने create किया है वहाँ पे and it's the point right मैंने जब शुरू किया था चाय विद सेंपाई विद तरुण the point for us was कि हमको कम्युनिटी के साथ मिलजुल के कुछ बिल्ड करना है rather than just us building something of our own so
Yeah.
like भाई इनको पार्ट कैसे बनाए and that's why they're so vocal like you know अभी कल भी जब स्ट्रीम हुई they were like भाई तुम ये बातें करते हो तो हम like भाई ये तो यार हमारी मर्जी है
No, the chai with senpai ka the way that you have planned your content strat was quite good. Start with live streams, get monetized, then start doing normal episodes as well with live streams. So content blast ho jaye just like Ranveer Alabadia.
It
Totally.
it wasn't actually planned more so like it happened because रचित से हमारी बात हुई थी ठीक है एंड देन मतलब बात नहीं हुई थी उस टाइम पे वी वर स्टिल इन द फेजेस कि कैसे करना है ये सब राइट एंड वी वर लाइक हाउ डू वी डू समथिंग डिफरेंट वी वर लाइक हाउ डू वी गेट अ वन इंटरेक्शन मोर ऑन गोइंग देन वी लाइक भाई लाइव स्ट्रीम तो एक तरीका है चैट तो पढ़ते हैं ऐसे लोग एंड लाइक भाई रचित करता है इतने बड़े बड़े स्ट्रीमर्स करता है हम क्यों नहीं कर सकते I think that's what clicked and then you know eventually we released the podcast episodes and yeah man अभी हमने वन पीस का किया था 5 घंटे का वो था 20,000
Damn.
we were like what like क्या चल रहा है भाई
Damn.
नहीं बट तुम लोगों का जो मेगा एपिसोड था
oh yeah 10 hour episode
10 hours वाला dude that was
For
crazy.
some
next वाले
goddamn
में
reason
तुम
that got-
लोग आ रहे हो next वाले में तुम लोग आ रहे हो so
100%.
ready
Definitely.
100%. That actually got that it slipped past by me. That 10-hour live stream because at that time I guess I was just in negotiations with Jio.
okay
तो वो पूरा I was like totally away from whatever was happening.
bro was like I was busy making money man
नहीं रे बिल्कुल नहीं. I would have
भाई?
नहीं I would have cribbed. I would have called and spammed Tarun मेरे को ले. Apparently I couldn't do it. The next time I will do it.
अरे हम अब ब्रो अभी बस होने वाला है 10 के होंगे नेक्स्ट 10 के पे 10 के 10 घंटे की स्ट्रीम है
चलेगा
So, yeah,
live
man.
main camera guys. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I have a small kind of
जल्दी बता पनवेल निकलना है
something. How would you guys like if Chai with Senpai and Analyst podcast become one its exclusive IP where we'll create content only for you guys? That will be crazy. With the network that Chai with Senpai has and Analyst has, we can create something bigger than Trash Taste. So do let me know if you guys are okay with it. We'll make it happen. And
Is Chai with Senpai okay with it? ये पूछा है हमको?
Yeah, I mean हम लोगों ने तो I think हाँ ही बोल ही दिया था सब
हाँ हमारी बात ऑलरेडी हो चुकी है. So guys, stay tuned. Thank you for watching this episode. Thank you Ash to be an incredible guest
Yes.
today.
Thank
अरे
you,
भाई
Ash.
was my honor भाई मजा आया भाई बात करके दोबारा बोलो थोड़ा गपशप करेंगे एनिमे के
Yes.
Next time अपन टाइम पे करेंगे.
हाँ यार I'll be on time don't worry I'll be on time भाई सब्जी लेने नहीं जाऊंगा उस दिन मैं
Next time I would love to know your 3x3 anime.
Yeah.
अरे यार yes sure
Yeah, we'll do that. Cool. Thank you guys. This has been the Analyst Podcast. Make sure to like and subscribe. Check Ash, check Chai with Senpai, check Sahil's personal Instagram, check my personal Instagram, and see you guys on the next episode of the Analyst Podcast. Mostly with Shibuya Kaho or Anime Hunch. Bye bye.
Datte, bayo.